I will show you how to make money on Instagram in this video. Making money online using Instagram is a dream for a lot of people. It can be tough to start, but once you do, it's a great way to make some extra cash. Many people start by creating an account for their business and posting photos of their selling products. Within a few weeks, they gain a following and start to make sales. They then begin to look for ways to monetize their account. In this video, I will show you 8 tips to start making money using Instagram without any prior experience or knowledge. We will go over sponsored posts and branded content, Instagram shopping, and how to earn money through Instagram Reels. Hey there, and if you're new, welcome to our channel, where we help you learn to see the income generating opportunities right in front of you. Number 1. Sponsored post and branded content. Businesses are always looking for new ways to promote their products or services, and social media has become one of the most effective platforms for reaching potential customers. In recent years, Instagram has emerged as a potent tool for marketing, and businesses have increasingly been turning to influencers to spread the word about their brand. Influencers are users with a large social media following. They are typically paid by businesses to create posts or content that promotes the business's products or services. By partnering with an influencer, companies can reach a broad audience of potential customers and significantly boost their sales. Instagram's new branded content feature allows creators to list the brands they want to partner with. This way, brands can more easily find creators to work with, and they can avoid working with brands they're not interested in. The new feature also includes tools for managing partnerships and measuring the success of branded content campaigns. Overall, these new features should make it easier for both brands and creators to produce high-quality branded content on Instagram. If you want to help a future business owner just like you find this video, make sure to like and subscribe to help out. Their success just may be in your hands. Number 2. Brand Ambassador Programs. A brand ambassador program is a way for companies to pay influencers to post about their products on social media. Usually, ambassadors are given a discount code to share with their followers, earning a commission on every sale using their code. This can be a great way to make money on Instagram, and it's also a great way to get free stuff. Some brands will even send ambassadors free products to post about. If you're interested in becoming a brand ambassador, the best way to find opportunities is to search for a brand ambassador program on Google or Instagram. You can also contact companies directly and ask if they have an ambassador program that you can join. Number 3. Instagram shopping. Social media platforms like Instagram have transformed how we interact with friends, family, and businesses. In addition to providing a space for sharing photos and stories, Instagram has also become a powerful tool for marketing and sales. A growing number of businesses are using Instagram to sell products, and this trend is often referred to as social commerce. There are a few different ways that companies can sell products on Instagram. One standard method is to post photos of products with purchase links in the caption. Alternatively, some businesses use Instagram to generate product interest and direct customers to their website or brick-and-mortar store. You can extend your shop's reach by having other accounts tag your products and share insights about your seller. Additionally, you can join in on the live stream shopping trend to sell directly to customers while doing an Instagram Live. Joining forces with other accounts will help potential customers learn more about your products and services. By providing insights in live selling, you're increasing the chances that someone will want to do business with you. Keep in mind that customers like to buy from companies they feel they know and understand, so take advantage of every opportunity to let them get to know you better. Number 4. Affiliate and creator shops. Affiliate programs are a great way for brands to promote their products and for creators to make money from their posts. Under an affiliate program, creators can tag products in their post and set up the shop of recommended products. Brands can also create affiliate campaigns and view performance insights. When a creator recommends a product purchased by their followers, the creator receives a commission. This allows creators to monetize their influence and provide brands with valuable exposure. 5. Badges. Badges are a way for viewers to show support for their favorite creators on Instagram. By purchasing a badge, they're letting you know they appreciate your content and want to see more of it. Not only is this a great way to make money, but it is also a great way to build a community of supporters interested in what you have to say. Number 6. Subscriptions. Instagram rolled out new subscription programs that allow content creators to release exclusive content for fans that are willing to pay a monthly fee. The subscriptions program provides content creators with a way to generate revenue from their work. And for social media users, it offers access to exclusive content they wouldn't be able to see otherwise. It will be interesting to see how the subscriptions program develops over time and whether or not it will become a widely used tool for content creators and social media users alike. Number 7. Reels bonuses. To encourage more content creators to use its Reels feature, Instagram has launched a Reels bonus program. Under the program, eligible creators will receive bonuses based on the number of Reels they create and the engagement those Reels receive. This is just one of the many recent changes Instagram has made to its platform in an attempt to stay competitive with other social media platforms like Snapchat and TikTok. With the Reels bonus program launched, it is clear that Instagram is committed to making Reels a success. Number 8. Instagram Ads. Instagram Ads offers a wide variety of customization options, making it easy to make more money. For example, you can specify the target audience, budget, ad format, and more. You can also use demographic targeting to ensure that your ad is seen by people most likely to be interested in it. Additionally, you can use retargeting to reach people who have already shown interest in your product or service. By taking advantage of these customization options, you can increase your chances of making a sale and earning more money. Make sure you've hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on so you don't miss out on how to make money with Etsy.